Hey, I'm sure after this video, people will be like, hey, Bozaro, now where's Ukusiano? Hey, Mozaro, Ukuhun. Hey, wait, minute. My son gave me this. Let me put it on. So the reality is, say, if you're a guy, now will be the after sex, you need only two things. So this one is for the ladies. If you are there with your guy and he's cheating, there's just a secret for you. So what every guy needs after sex, guy we are entering a little bit psychology. Guy na obi aya ade o wiase wi a se nipa bia auto ho ya ade wi a you need a reward. So that's why if you oba bitimi shejare no aduane for hours obi so aketu abi no bedi, he just needs some reward. Anything na ultimate sorry na kwadware kwa adwuma stress ho just need a reward. And reward no, so you have two types of reward. And you intrinsic and your extrinsic. So you never be a motivate you, ma utim yes that's the reward. So reward no, it does say you inside and now they know outside. So any motivate you, there will be a friend intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. You know, so on your banner kunchitia. Let me show you this trick. After sex, every man need a reward. Anything or hearing on yeah, so we are all expecting some reward. So some guys do sex for just for money, as same as lady. So they need a reward. So the reward should be either intrinsic or extrinsic. So man no yeah sex ni we no. When your reward back when you find intrinsic, no one sanon. Like why you okay so oh yeah. But second reward or ban on the man, you are supposed to give to the man. So that reward is an extrinsic reward. And that one mostly it comes with a price or sometimes verbally or sometimes yeah, they be an we and let the man feel say, yeah, Charlie, why you maybe? You make me feel something like you are very good. Manente sani amanase. Yes, I did here. Okun be cheating. Your husband will be cheating if you don't do this. So this is just a sample trick for the ladies to show. If you like this video, just subscribe. Make sure you leave a lot of notifications so that I'll know say okay, if I do the part 2 of this video, you guys are going to like. Okay, so if you get this, you just share it with friends and family. Let's stop divorcing, our rejecting and stop it. Share to somebody so that we need to end cheating. We need to end cheating.